In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down to click on Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and finally, click on one of your device's features you wish to manage, like camera. Then select one of your apps under one of those sections, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or at the bottom, not allowed. After selecting your app, tap on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. After tapping on the best one for you, you need to go back. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app just gained access to this device's camera when I'm using it. But you can also select any feature. Find an app you wish to manage, and after clicking on it, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!